It's holiday times. If you wanna join virtual travel with us, please stay tuned.
Hello, welcome to Holiday Times.
It's a overnight journey by train. We started from Kolkata Shialdah Railway Junction and our destination is New Jalpaiguri Junction. The distance is about 587 kilometers. Today we are heading towards Kalimpong. Our destination is Rishabh. Yesterday we talked to a car driver. He will take 4,000 rupees to drop us at Rishabh. It will take around 4.5 hours. We can reach before lunch and we can have our breakfast en route.
Hello friends, we have reached North Bengal again. Today we are heading towards Rishabh, a beautiful mountain village near Kalimpong at an elevation of 8,500 feet. It is 32 kilometers away from Kalimpong and about 9 kilometers away from Labha. Hope we will enjoy our trip. It was really difficult to plan a trip during this pandemic situation. But we were really in need of a break. So, let's see. Hope for the best.
We have reached Rishabh. Today and tomorrow we will be here and enjoy being with nature. We are staying at Kanchan View Tourist Lodge. It is located at the topmost ridge of Rishabh. Cost of staying in a twin sharing room including food was 1400 per day per head. Another day started. If we were lucky, we could see the entire range of Mount Kanchenjunga and Nathula from here. But the weather is really foggy and gloomy. So we are walking around our homestay, taking some selfies and planning after breakfast we will move towards Lava. There is a walking trail from Rishabh to Lava is about 3 to 4 kilometers. We can spend the whole day at Lava and can be back at late afternoon. April is a time of flowers, so lots of colors around. Now it's selfie time. We have started walking for Lava, following this beautiful trail. These trails surrounding Rishabh and Lava are very famous to the bird watchers too. So many species of birds can be seen here. We have reached Lava after 1.5 hours of slow walk. We planned to visit the famous lava monastery, but it is closed now to maintain COVID protocol. On our way back from Lava to Rishabh, the weather was getting really bad. So we didn't take risk of walking and took a car. It cost 700 rupees for the drop-off. Day ended with the traditional prayer and we started dreaming something great for the next day. After some morning walk, bird watching and breakfast, it's time to say goodbye. Believe me, those who love mountain, Rishabh will not disappoint you. Today we have started our journey towards our next destination. It is another mountain village, Kafirgaon. We have shared our Kafirgaon experience in the next video. Please inspire us by like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't miss to click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you for watching. Stay in touch.